Hey, what's happening, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing this accessory from Quad Lock. I've already got the Quad Lock cover, so this just kind of clips on the back, but it's a phone ring stand, so it's kind of got an idea of the front, 100% compatible with all Quad Lock cases. On the side view, and then quadlockcase.net. So let's see what's in the box. What's the best way? Looks like on the bottom. Wow. So there, nice little detail, designed in Australia. If you like it, put a ring on it. And there it is. So let's have that, keep it on you, and this one. Okay, so in theory this will clip on the back. Should be able to just fit my finger through it when I'm holding it, and yeah, that is the Quad Lock phone accessory, phone ring stand. If you guys have any comments or questions, drop it below and I'll happily let you know. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a good one.